by Studio 59. Call them at 812-723-1900.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Wednesday, February 5th. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Today's game is Where Wednesday. We will show you a picture of a location, and you can email us at paolimedia@paoli.k12.in.us. Here's the picture. Intramural volleyball will be Monday, February 17th at 5:30. Get your teams together or sign up as an individual. Sign-ups will be in the health hallway across from Mr. Cole's room. Last day to sign up is February 14th. Anyone wanting to purchase a Drama Club t-shirt needs to get $15 to Miss Wishart. Drama Club members are reminded to check their emails often. That includes everyone in Drama Club, whether or not they are involved in the current production. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Checking out the weather today, we will see rain all throughout the rest of your week. Today we'll have a high of 40 and a low of 34. Then tomorrow we'll have a high of 37 and a low of 29. And on Friday with a high of 36 and a low of 29. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.